Hello, my name is Siddharth Kumar and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how we can generate OTP with the help of Python. The steps are very simple. First of all, you need to import two libraries that are math and random. And after that we will make a function, and in that particular function we will give that with the help of these following numbers we want to generate a OTP, and after that we will use the random function to generate the OTP. So let us see how we will do so. So first of all, as said earlier, we will have to import the two library, and the two library are, we have to import math and random. Random is used for generating the random number and math will be used for some mathematical calculation. So after that we will make a function and will name it generate OTP. So I have made a function here that is generate OTP, and here we will name the digits that I want to generate OTP with the help of these following digits, and these following digit we will put it under the quote, and these digit will be these digits. So these digit by which we will generate OTP, and after that we will name a variable OTP and will keep it empty by now. And after doing so, after making an empty string, we will use a for loop, and we will say for I in range 4, as we want to generate OTP of 4 length. So we will use range 4, and we will say that OTP is equal to OTP plus. I will make you understand all these things, but for now just see what I am writing. Digits, and here we will use the function that is math.floor and random dot random, and we'll multiply these thing with 10. So we'll multiply this with 10. After doing so, we will return this OTP. So what actually we are doing, we are first saying that from these digits we will make our OTP, and first of all we are making our OTP as a empty string. So we want our OTP as 4 digits, so we are saying for I in range 4, and we will get OTP how? First of all, the OTP will be empty, and we will just flow the random value that will be generated with this particular string. We will be having a random value, and from that particular random value we will multiply it, and then we will floor it. So here first of all we are just getting random value from it, and since we can get random value and we are multiplying it with 10, so there might be chance that we can get a decimal value. So floor function, let us suppose that we are getting the value as 4.5, then floor function does what it does is it will give the value higher than that, that is 4.5. So we will get 5, it will give integer value, so we will get 5. So floor function, if it is 6.5, then it will give us 7. If it is 8.9, then it will give us 9. So this thing is done by this particular thing, and it is doing it 4 times, so we will get the OTP of 4 digit, and after that we are returning the OTP. So now here we will see if main double name is equal to main. So here first of all we are doing that, and if it is so, then just write a print statement, that is print your 4 digit OTP is, and here just pass the function. So the function was generate OTP. So I will pass it. Now if we will run this, then you can see that we will get 4-digit OTP. So you can see that it is giving us the ID. So we have done something wrong. So let me check what I have done wrong. So I have returned this OTP here in this particular for loop, but we have to return it into the function. So we will, now it is okay. Now we will run it, then you can see that we will get 4-digit OTP here. So let me run this. Still you can see that we are getting the same thing, that is function generate OTP at this. So what we will have to do is, instead of this main function, we will remove this main function here from here, and will print this particular OTP in this following line. So just from here we'll print the OTP, print your OTP is, and we'll just give OTP here. And now if I will call my function here, I will call my function here. So now if I will run, then it will work for sure. So let me check here. You can see that it is working fine. It is saying your OTP is and 2418. So now we are getting a random OTP again for of 4-digit. Now 6476, again 8425. So this is a better version how we can generate OTP. So this can be used in the application where you want OTP to be generated. There it might be helpful there. So this is all in this video. Thank you.